lecture for continuation. See, next we are going to see DBMS. Okay, DBMS means database management system. Okay, so this DBMS is a software. Okay, so this software is used to organize, create, delete, update, and manipulate data in a database. Okay, so this software is used to manage the data in a database. Okay, so this is very this software is helpful in efficient data processing. Okay, and RDBMS means relational database management system. Okay, the software, that is the DBMS, which uses the relational model. Okay, the relational database model means the model consists of table, rows, column. Okay, the software which uses this type of model is called relational database management system. Okay, example of MySQL, Oracle, and MS Access. Okay, so in this software, the row represents the record or tuples, and the column represents the field, and the table represents the file. Okay, so these column, row, and table are the building block of RDBMS. Okay, so it is the commonly used software for the database. Next is data types. Okay, data types that is commonly used in DBMS. Okay, see, if you want to store any data in database, first we want to define a data type. Okay, so the data type is an attribute that specifies the type of data it can store. Okay, it is an attribute. Okay, so first one is exact numerical data type. Example, integer, int, and small int, and big int. Okay, so these data type can only store the integer value. Okay, like the 20, 24, 70, like that. Okay, so these are example of data integer type data type, and this is approximate numerical data type. Okay, so here it can store the decimal values. Okay, example of float and real. Float and real are approximate numerical data types because it can store the decimal values. Okay, that is 22.4, 22.5, like the decimal values it can store. And next is characteristic data type. Characteristic data type means it can store the character value. Okay, so that char means char. Okay, so this data type will store in pixel length. Okay, and varchar will store in variable length. Okay, so these are the example of data type commonly used in DBMS. And components of DBMS. See, in components there are four DBMS. There are four components. First is data definition language, DDL. Okay, in this component we will define the data types and field name. Okay, and next is data manipulation language. In data manipulation language we will enter the data or manipulate the data. Okay, in this component. And query language. In query language we will extract the information from the database. Okay, the query language is used to extract the information from the database. And report generator. And this component is used to present the information extracted from the database. Okay, that is output. You want to produce an output, so this component will produce the output. See here, for example, mark list of student. Okay, so here is the student mark list. We want to extract the 4 students in the database. For first we want to define the database. Okay, so we want define means it represents student name, student ID number, and then mark. Okay, so the name can be a character. Okay, so we can use either char or varchar. And ID is the integer. Okay, ID cannot be decimal value or character value. So the ID will be the integer. So the type is int, and the mark can be either be decimal or integer, So mark will be float value. Okay, next is DML. Okay, DML. So in this component we will enter the ID number, name and mark of a student. Okay. Mm. And query language. In query language we want to extract the post students based on some criteria. So my criteria is less than 50% mark. Okay, so the report came is generating the report which contains the post students, mark, ID and name. So these are the 4 components we will use in database management system. Okay, so to create a database and then to the information, we follow this 4 procedure. Query language. Okay, query language means SQL. Okay, that is SQL means standard query language or structured query language. Okay, this is used to extract information from the database. Okay, this language is used to access and manipulate the database. Okay, all the RDBMS will use this language as a standard database language. Okay, so this SQL means standard query language or structured query language. It was developed by IBM. Okay, so this language is used to extract the information from the database.